There is a habit that almost every Vietnamese man has: sipping a cup of coffee every morning. That mild bitterness and rich aroma make us feel alert and clear-headed as we start the day. Right? However, today I need to share a truth that many of you may have never heard before. Drinking coffee the wrong way can become a silent killer of blood vessels and male vitality for men in their 60s. I know, hearing this, some of you might feel startled and wonder, how can something so familiar be that dangerous? But look at reality. Why is it that some people drink coffee and still have rosy skin and great energy, while others feel their heart racing, hands shaking, constant fatigue, and especially a rapid decline in sexual health after drinking it? The answer lies here. Without realizing it, many of us are taking in substances that cause blood lipids to spike, clogging the pipelines that carry blood to the most important organs of a man's body. When the blood becomes thick and the vessels narrow, a man's performance quietly fades away with it. But don't worry, I'm not telling you to give up coffee. Instead, I'm going to share an extremely simple secret. Just add the right 1 spoon of this ingredient to your morning coffee. This is the golden key that turns an ordinary cup of coffee into a drink that helps revive your blood vessels. It works like a magical broom, sweeping away stubborn fatty plaque, clearing blood flow from head to toe. As a result, it can noticeably improve nighttime urination, fatigue, and most importantly, help you regain confidence and firmness like in your younger days, without relying on expensive medications. If you find this video helpful, please don't hesitate to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment saying, "I'm interested," below. That will give me more motivation to keep sharing practical, healthy living tips with you. Now, before I reveal that miracle spoon ingredient, let's take an honest look at the truth. Why is your morning coffee directly connected to blood lipids and male performance? Think of it this way: the blood vessel system in your body is like the plumbing in an old house. After decades of use, the pipes become coated with algae, dirt, and rust. In your 50s and 60s, that dirt is bad cholesterol. Many studies have shown that coffee beans contain compounds called cafestol and coeol. When we drink strong coffee that isn't properly filtered, these substances can raise blood cholesterol levels, making the blood thicker and harder to circulate. To maintain male performance, the body needs a large volume of blood to flow quickly and powerfully to strategic areas. But if those blood vessels are coated with fat, hardened, and narrowed, how can enough blood reach where it needs to go? That's why many men experience the feeling of, the mind wants to, but the body doesn't respond. It's not simply about aging, it's mainly because the body's fuel delivery system is clogged. On top of that, another common mistake many men make is adding too much sugar and cream to their coffee. Once inside the body, sugar and cream are converted into triglycerides, making the blood even thicker and murkier. It's like pouring dirty fuel into an old car. The engine won't run better. It'll wear out faster. That's also why doctors keep telling you to cut back on so many things. But I understand, asking a man to give up coffee is like asking him to give up an old, trusted friend. That's why the secret I'm about to share acts like a smart internal filter. When you add just 1 spoon of this natural ingredient to your coffee, its active compounds work like a special task force, helping blood vessels relax and become more flexible and open. Once blood circulation improves, male hormones are transported more effectively, helping awaken the vitality you thought time had taken away. Isn't that interesting? Just one small change, but it targets the root cause, blood circulation. When blood flows freely, everything flows smoothly, from heart health and blood pressure to confidence in the bedroom. Ladies and gentlemen, by now you're probably very eager to know what that miracle spoon ingredient I've been hinting at since the beginning really is. Right? I won't keep you waiting any longer. The secret lies in a very familiar spice: cinnamon powder. It sounds almost too simple, doesn't it? But you may be surprised to know that in traditional medicine as well as modern scientific research, cinnamon is considered pure gold for the health of middle-aged men. When you add just 1 small spoon of cinnamon powder to your morning coffee, you're creating a powerful double effect for your body. The first benefit I have to mention is its ability to sweep away bad blood fats. Cinnamon contains valuable active compounds that help reduce bad cholesterol and triglycerides, the very deposits I compared to dirt buildup earlier. As blood fat levels decrease, your blood becomes cleaner and thinner, meaning your heart no longer has to strain to pump blood throughout the body. As a result, you start to feel lighter, more relaxed, and noticeably more comfortable overall. The second benefit, and the one most men care about the most, is its ability to help revive firmness. Science has shown that cinnamon can stimulate the production of a natural gas in the body called nitric oxide. You can think of nitric oxide as a kind of magical lubricant that helps blood vessels relax and expand. For men in their 60s, when blood vessels are fully dilated, blood can rush to the lower body more strongly and more quickly. That's why many men have shared with me that after using coffee with cinnamon for a period of time, they feel more energized, their confidence returns, and they no longer experience those frustrating moments where things end before they really begin. The third benefit is blood sugar stabilization. As you know, high blood sugar is one of the biggest enemies of male vitality. Cinnamon helps the body convert sugar into usable energy instead of storing it as fat. When blood sugar stays stable, sensory nerves work more effectively, helping you last longer without feeling exhausted or short of breath. And finally, there's a benefit that men who wake up frequently at night really appreciate. Cinnamon has warming properties that support kidney health. According to traditional medicine, when the kidneys are warm and strong, nighttime urination is significantly reduced. You'll sleep deeply through the night without constantly waking up, and that leads to better mental clarity and improved overall health. As you can see, just 1 small spoon of cinnamon powder can bring surprisingly big benefits for men. It acts as both a filter for your blood vessels and a booster station for your vitality. Now, gentlemen, the method is very simple, but the key lies in the right combination so your body can absorb it effectively. I'd like to share 3 ways to enjoy it, depending on your habits and physical condition. First is the simplest method, perfect for those who love the pure taste of black coffee. Brew a hot cup of drip coffee as usual. Instead of drinking it right away, sprinkle in about half a teaspoon to 1 full teaspoon of pure cinnamon powder. One small but important tip: add the cinnamon while the coffee is still steaming hot. Don't stir immediately. Wait about 30 seconds so the cinnamon's essential oils can slowly release and blend with the bitterness of the coffee. At that moment, your coffee doesn't just smell richer and warmer, it becomes a true warrior, ready to enter your bloodstream and help clear away even the most stubborn fatty buildup. If you prefer a gentle touch of natural sweetness to make it easier to drink, and at the same time want to further support your digestive system, you can try the second method by combining it with honey. After you've mixed your coffee with cinnamon powder, be patient and wait for the drink to cool slightly until it's just warm, not hot. Then add 1 spoon of raw forest honey. Please remember this important point for me: never add honey to boiling hot liquid, because high heat will destroy its valuable nutrients. The combination of cinnamon and honey works like a perfect duo. helping neutralize bad cholesterol very effectively while also providing abundant energy. This helps you feel stronger and more refreshed, without that drained or breathless feeling after a long day. Now, for those of you who often feel cold hands and feet, or frequently wake up at night to urinate and struggle to get quality sleep, the third method is especially for you. Simply add about 2 lightly crushed slices of fresh ginger to your hot coffee along with the cinnamon powder. Both ginger and cinnamon have warming properties, and when combined with coffee, they create a powerful effect that promotes circulation and activates blood flow. As you drink it, you'll feel a warm sensation spreading throughout your body. Blood vessels relax and expand, allowing blood to flow more smoothly to the lower body. This is one of the best ways to reawaken your inner strength, restore confidence, and reclaim your natural firmness. However, to achieve the best results and ensure safety, I have a few important reminders for you. First, drink this special coffee about 30 minutes after breakfast. Never drink it on an empty stomach, as this helps protect your stomach lining. Second, pay attention to the dosage. Just 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder per day is enough. What we want is consistency, not rushing the process. Finally, choose pure, high-quality cinnamon powder with a naturally strong aroma to ensure the best health benefits. Just a few small steps each morning, and I truly believe you'll soon notice remarkable changes from within your body. Now, gentlemen, your health and vitality are not something distant or complicated. They lie in the smallest habits you practice every morning. Instead of drinking coffee the old way, try adding 1 spoon of cinnamon starting tomorrow and feel your blood vessels being cleansed and your body gradually revitalized day by day. I believe that after a short period of time, you'll notice clear differences without needing any expensive medications. Give it a try, then come back and share your results with me in the comments. I'm truly looking forward to hearing good news from you. If you find this tip helpful, don't forget to hit like to support me. Subscribe to the channel so we can continue living healthier together every day. And share this video with your friends and brothers so you can all maintain your strength as true gentlemen. Thank you for listening. Wishing you all great health and strong confidence. Goodbye, and I'll see you again in the next videos.